Welcome to part 2 of our geometry formula tutorial. In the first part, we explored the world of shapes, how to find area and volume. Now, let's take it further. Are you ready? A pyramid has a polygon base and meets at a point on top. To find the volume, where B is the area of the base, and H is the vertical height. For surface area, P is the perimeter of the base, L is the slant height, and B again is the base area. A cone is like a circular pyramid. Its volume is, where R is the radius, and H is the height. The surface area. Here, L is the slant height, the side of the cone, not the vertical height. Now to one of the most elegant shapes, the sphere. Its volume is, and the surface area. Both formulas are based on the radius, and pi, of course. Now to circumference of a circle. To find the distance around a circle, you use. Whether you know the diameter or radius, either formula gives the circle's full perimeter. For Pythagorean theorem, given as one of the most important tools in right triangles, where A and B are the legs, and C is the hypotenuse. Use this to find any side of a right-angled triangle when two sides are known. For altitude in right triangle. If a right triangle is split into two smaller right triangles, you can find the altitude, the perpendicular height, using. It's a more advanced concept but very useful in circle and triangle proofs. For special right triangles. Some triangles have consistent side ratios you should memorize. 45 degrees minus 45 degrees minus 90 degrees triangle has side ratios of 30 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 90 degrees triangle has side ratios of. These come up frequently in standardized tests and geometry problems. Lastly, for trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry connects angles and side lengths, so for right triangles, sine theta is opposite / hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent / hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite / adjacent. These help you find missing angles or sides when just one side and angle are known. And that's a wrap on part 2 of our geometry formula tutorial. Review often, practice consistently, and these tools will stay with you for life. Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.